What's up, YouTube? I'm going to do a video on this Compustar T13 alarm system I have on my 2003 Silverado SS. So I used to have a T12 on my previous SS, and this time on my new one I decided to go with the newer model that has a little bit more extra features, but the this model comes with a LCD screen remote. So you got your options, tons of options that basically you can do from the remote itself that are available on the app that it interfaces with, called Drone. So I'm pretty familiar with the app itself, but this model gives you the ability to do everything from the remote itself as well. It does have to be recharged, and the battery life isn't the best, but it'll last you about a good week or something, maybe. So the cool thing about this alarm, or this model, is this feature right here. This wasn't available on the T12 model. It's the proximity sensor to unlock the doors. So I actually went away from the truck so it can actually work, because if I was too close it won't work. But once you get about 6 feet from it, it will unlock the doors. Yep. So I think it just glitched a little because the remote was still in the settings, but the doors did open, and you don't have to actually hit the unlock button. So you can just have the keys in your pocket, walk up to your car, and it unlocks on its own. And it unlocks both the driver and the passenger door, so that's pretty neat. The other features it has is, with this model, you can add on the kill switch for the starter, which I did. I thought it was part of the I thought it was part of the package, but it's basically, it has the ability to do it, but you have to pay extra for that to get installed. I got mine installed at Car Toys in Fort Worth. They did it pretty much in one day. It was pretty awesome. But if the doors, say the door's unlocked, or excuse me, the window's open, door's locked, here, I'll simulate it. Let me just open the window. So if you were to have your door on, your door's window open, the truck's locked, cool, whatever. Somebody goes in, opens the door, tries to go in, tries to hot wire or something. Again, nothing happens. Okay, done with that. So yeah, so basically they try to start the truck. Nothing will happen. I'm gonna have to get out of here and redo that again. Okay, now it's off. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I do have a yearly subscription with it. They give you a free month trial to try it with all the features. I did purchase a yearly subscription and through the app, and it tracks your truck like through real-time network. So it gives me a real peace of mind of, the truck status, if anybody's messing with it. The remote itself is a two-way system, so when it sends the signal, the the module in the truck sends one back to the remote to confirm whether it got the command or not. So you lock it, beeps, and then it beeps again to tell you that the command was received. And this thing has a 3 mile radius, so it's pretty awesome. But same thing if the alarm goes off, somebody's messing with it, this thing beeps like crazy as well. So I usually keep it in my proximity. Like if I'm going to bed, I'll keep it close to I'll keep it in my room. But yeah, totally worth it, especially on a truck like this that, you know, a lot of people like to steal. So I know it's, you know, it's still possible, but it'll just be a whole lot harder than one that doesn't have anything installed in it. So yeah, as far as price, this system costs a pretty penny. Just alone, I think it costs like $900, and that's not even installed. So I think out the door it came out to about $1,200 with the kill switch for the starter feature. So yeah, about $1,200 installed, but well worth it in my opinion. So, yeah, see, proximity proximity unlock. Okay, cool. Well, that's it for this video. I highly recommend the T13 Compustar alarm.